Before we get into anything else, I'm so excited right now.
Like a little child in a candy shop right now.
I'm so pumped. So we're renting an airport out. Literally, we're renting an airstrip, kind of an airstrip. Mainly just 54 acres of concrete. Still technically an airport. I'm really excited. Guys, Sunday the 18th, we're having our first official sanctioned Novice Garage meet, and we'll be doing drifting as well. So, I don't even know. I'm so pumped right now.
I'm like a little child in a candy shop right now.
Are you not excited?
I'm excited. We're gonna drift that. We're gonna drift that or that.
Yeah, like, but I mean, more importantly, like a meet. Like, we're not gonna be able, we can't get kicked out. Like, this is an official meet. We're gonna meet our fans. Fans are gonna meet us, and we're gonna go racing and drifting, and it's gonna be an awesome time.
So basically, what you're saying is we can hoon the shit out over there.
Yes.
And just do massive ass burnouts.
Yes.
And
Anything
do donuts. Do anything. So. Yeah, that actually would be pretty cool.
Oh, dude, I'm so pumped.
Ow, that was my nipple. He pinched me nipple.
Guys, this is how we're gonna do it. If you want to come and hang out, it's free. The car meet is free, but driving is gonna cost $25. If you register online on our website, which we're setting up right now, it'd be 20 bucks. Pre-registration that like secures you a spot. Yeah, we're gonna have some waivers set up. More details will be on the website below, but we're really excited. And if you guys want to drift, make sure you have a driver's license
and a helmet.
And a helmet. Yes.
And a helmet. A valid helmet. That is very important.
It's really funny that I'm saying this, but yes, we're actually gonna tech cars. Like, we're gonna make sure that your car isn't a complete hoopty. So like, it has to make sure like all four wheels stay on. It doesn't leak fluid oh yeah, we're gonna have to bring like K-liter and stuff. I know someone's car is gonna blow the fuck up. Yeah. It's not this one. But
see, that's what I'm saying. We need a tow rig. We need a tow rig.
Excited. But anyways, maybe we can turn this into a monthly deal. That'd be awesome. But this is the first time we're gonna do it, and we'll see how it goes. We'll drop the address and details below, including where you can pre-register for 20 bucks. And I can't wait. How many weeks is that from now? Is that 2 weeks?
I think, I don't know. Hopefully I don't have school that day.
Well, you're taking the day off.
If I have school, I can't.
You're taking the day off. Anyways, on to the video.
Real quick, so if you guys don't know where we're having this event at, it's where they host the Mineral Wells drift event. So it's a well-known drift place, so hopefully everybody knows how to get there. But if you're from out of Texas, then we're definitely going to be putting the address and all that fun stuff. But yeah,
so excited!
So for today's agenda, what we're gonna be doing is getting the new 35s mounted and balanced today on the front end. So hopefully that's gonna fix my death wobble. And then also, while we're waiting for my moolah to get here, we're going to be removing the headliner because it's nasty. It has to come out. I don't want it in there. We're just gonna take it out. We're gonna take that out to kill some time and do little odds and ends to the Jeep. Our main focus today is getting these massive tires.
Guys, look at that girth. You know what they say about big hands?
Small dicks.
Even bigger tire. Fuck you. Dude, I don't think we've introduced Alex on the channel. Well, that was a long time ago.
That was a long time.
That was like that was like 2016, bro.
Yeah, it was.
All right, let's do a quick like autobiography of Alex.
No, it's not.
That's his brother. If you guys didn't know, they don't look anything. Well, they kind of.
I mean, he has a whole beard going on. I can't.
Yeah,
grow,
he looks like the manly version of you. I don't think that thing will make it to Mineral Wells, dude.
It will make it there.
You want to bet?
I'll bet.
Dude, you know what we should do? You know what we should do? We should go rent a U-Haul, like one of those trucks, and just put the Jeep on a trailer. And the R3. We're taking the R3 too for like cones and shit. We have to find cones. Yeah, hey, if anyone's got a hookup of cones are really expensive.
You can just buy one of those little soccer cones.
Yeah, that weighs quite about half my body weight, so.
We tried me and Zach tried curling it and it didn't work. I'm pretty.
What's up? Yeah, we're taking out the headliner today. Hopefully we don't find any heroin spoons in the roof again. So that'd be pretty bad, not gonna lie. Not even 5 minutes at being at Zach's house, I already have dirt all over my goddamn Gucci sweater.
Why would you wear a Gucci sweater?
It's not Gucci, dude. It was kind of like mocking those YouTubers that are like, you know what I mean?
You know, a lot of YouTubers wear like name brand.
Yeah, we don't give
Yeah, we don't. Dude, we're gonna be making millions and not give a fuck. I've been going to Walmart buying my jeans.
Yeah, that's where I bought the pair of jeans over there for 11 bucks.
11 bucks.
They're nice.
Dude, Zach was telling me like the other day that he had to spend $60 on clothes for school, and he's like freaking the fuck out.
It was expensive. Like that's a lot of money.
But like
I spent $73 $3 on clothes for school for my uniform, and that's a lot of money.
Is that the most you've ever spent on clothes?
Yeah.
In total?
Yeah.
Like in one transaction?
Yeah, because I normally don't buy clothes. Well, normally, like, because I'll wear the same freaking clothes for years, because I don't really, I don't know. It's just,
what shirt do you have on? What shirt? You have my shirt on?
I got 2 jackets on.
This is getting
No, I don't
sexual.
wear blue. Never mind, I don't wear blue.
Oh yeah, I got this shirt on.
Why the fuck are you wearing a sleeveless shirt, dude? Why?
Because it's my day off. Leave me alone. So basically what we're doing is we're tearing out the headliner because the headliner is nasty and old and we gotta get it out. Don't really have to get it out, but I want it out because it just looks fugly.
Yeah, like the whole Jeep in general.
Hey, this is American Steel right here.
Alright. We just told you not to lick it, and what do? You go and lick it. Damn, dog. On a real note, yeah, the spoon that we found in the last Jeep video, pretty sure what that was used for, right, Alex?
Yeah,
it was used for some very bad things. We should be wearing masks right now, like bad. So, don't do this at kids' home. Wait, don't do this at home, kids. We got key tags. We're not cool enough to have a Shopify store, so if you guys want one, come hit us up on Instagram. All the proceeds from the key tags are gonna be going into making more key tags / shirts / hats / stickers. So go cop yourself one. I think they're like 15 bucks for one, ship 20 bucks for 2. We gotta ship out $40 worth of these today, by the way. We gotta ship out 4. So they're selling like, I don't know, what should I say? Dear God. Dear God. It's like Hulk just unleashed on the windshield there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to see if Coda will come up here? Coda! Yeah, come on, you can do it. I know you can.
We got a German Shepherd driving this. Come on, Bear. Sit.
Alright, so we got all the insulation in this bag. That's some nasty insulation. That's bad. And, well, it looks better. We just got this like main, what do you call this? Like a top main console? What the hell? I actually kind of like that design though. It's pretty cool for being from the 90s. It's kind of a cool add-on there, a little feature.
Go, blue,
go.
Blue, come on. Get
Look.
over there.
Like, look, you can just see it's like smoke.
Yeah, it's pretty disgusting.
So this is step 2. Oh, actually, this is like the main beginning of this. Trying to get this stuff done. Plan is get the tires off, jack the Jeep up, put on jack stands to get the tires off, and go get the new tires mounted. I'm really excited to get the new tires on these rims.
Yeah.
I'm really excited. But if you guys, for people that have like big tires, y'all know these things are freaking heavy. Those rims are about 50 pounds or 60 pounds each. And then those tires about another, so I guess say 60 or 70 pounds.
So are we bedlining the interior?
Yes, we are.
We are?
Yes, we are.
When?
Soon as the thing is street legal.
Okay.
Oh, basically right after I get, because the windshield is actually being replaced this week. The windshield is being replaced this week. So that's gonna be a big plus. I'm really excited for that too.
Yep, 3, 2, 1, time lapse.
Just for 2 tires, they were $392.
See, I thought you were trying to put all 8 tires in the back of this GMC.
No.
I'm like, dude, that's not gonna work.
Oh, it'll work. We'll just be doing a lot of ratchet straps.
Oh my god. That's whatever. That's novice, but. This truck is so cool. It's a 41?
Yeah, it's a 41.
Wow. Very cool.
It's a black and green. That's all original.
It looks like it, yeah. Wow. I like the bullet type headlights.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Get the cinematic shots right there.
Oh yeah.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see it.
Alright, so Zach's so excited because apparently it's really cheap to get your tires mounted here, right?
Yeah, 38 bucks, which is really freaking cheap. Mount and balance, really cheap. Yeah. The other place I went to, it was like $112 to mount and balance all 4 of them. So here it'd be like $70-ish to mount and balance 4 tires here.
Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the Walmart that doesn't like cameras.
Yeah.
They're looking good, boys.
They look fantastic.
They look good.
Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell.
All right, we got the new tires.
Oh dear God.
Looks so much better like that. Where you want to put this one?
Hold on, watch out.
We got truck.
Big, hold on.
Truck.
Look. Big ass truck over there.
Oh yeah, I see it. Truck. There's so many trucks, and none of them know how to drive. Like literally, we keep on, what? I can't in English. We keep on getting cut off.
Truck.
So Zach is showing me how to tender. We're gonna take a look at his bio. We're getting like a kind of a example of what a tender account should look like. All right, my name is Zachary. I work just about every day off the week. Love cars and trucks.
Off the week.
It says off.
It says off?
It says off, bro. I'm a welder and a car mechanic, hunting, fishing, camping, working on becoming a firefighter. All right, I'll give that, guys, rate that bio in the comments below. I'll give it a 6 out of 10 because he missed a couple periods and a couple commas. He got the he got the capitalization right though. Job title, welder. Why the f don't you have Novice Garage under your company?
What?
I'm just really surprised you didn't put in there YouTuber, internet sensation.
There's Novice?
Online celebrity. No, I'm saying why don't you have Novice Garage under your company?
I thought you said there's Novice.
All right, guys, we're gonna add a couple things here. So first, Novice Garage is his company. All right, Novice Garage. Working on becoming a firefighter. All right, we're gonna start a new paragraph here. YouTuber.
What is this turned into now?
Business owner. Business co-owner. Hell yeah. They'd be like, all right, this is some country boy shit. And then it goes, YouTuber, business co-owner, certified bad. Perfect. All right, I think we got it good.
How do you put it?
Nothing. How do you save? All right, so you're driving, so I'll read it to you. I work just about every day. I gotta fix that, I'm sorry. I work of the week, not off the week, all right? Love cars and trucks. I'm a welder and a car mechanic. Hunting, fishing, camping. Working on becoming a firefighter. And then new paragraph. YouTuber, comma, business owner, comma, certified beauty.
Certified beauty? What?
And save. All right, guys, that's how you do a tender.
Certified beauty. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not even gonna mess with it.
This, guys, is why I don't do tender, because I would not take it seriously.
Dude, these tires look fantastic.
Yep. So we got the new tires on the new wheels, and we're gonna go ahead and throw them on and see how they look.
Oh man, these tires look good.
Yep.
I love this. I can just like sit. I'm gonna sit underneath my Jeep.
That's funny. That's not very safe.
What is safety? It's done.
It's done, boys.
I'm so fucking excited. Dude, these tires look awesome!
It looks so good! Are you excited right now?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Alright, so we'll get some cinematic shots once we pull it out, so.
Yeah.
I guess there's too much air in the tires, so we're gonna go ahead and let out a little bit of the pressure. Of course, we don't have a proper air gauge, so we're just doing it. What the hell was that? Dude, these cows are lit. This guy looks mean. But you guys taste real good. Yo, UPS delivers out here? Word. Just so you guys know what's happening, before the tires, this Jeep had a really bad issue with death wobble. And I'm really scared right now because it could do it anytime. All right, guys, we're getting on the highway and I am scared AF right now that this thing is going to death wobble into a hole, into a ditch, actually.
You ready?
No. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Fuck. So scared right now, guys. I'm putting this window up. It's too cold. If I'm gonna die, I don't want to die a cold death. It's not working. No! Whatever. All right, 35. I'm so scared right now. Like, it's not even funny how scared I am. We're doing 65 miles an hour, guys.
I really have no idea how excited I am because just of how much fucking work I've been doing. I've literally been busting my ass off for this Jeep. I'm just so excited. This is just amazing. No more death wobble. I told you it'll fix the death wobble. Right. I told you. Right.
I'll admit, I was wrong on this. I didn't think new tires would fix the death wobble. I thought it was something to do with the sway bar, but I was wrong. And you know what? I will admit when I'm wrong. I will. Do I feel safe in this thing? No. That still stands.